4 days. 4 days in a lockdown city, within a locked down province, within a lockdown country. 4 days of looking out the window. 4 days of watching the snow fall. Of watching the clouds pass by. 4 days of looking at the same car dealerships, the same fast food restaurants, and the same freeways. And as the sun rises over the cold Canadian tundra, for another 3 days of looking out the window, I know that next time I'm here, I'm renting a car. So I am in Canmore, Canmore, Alberta, which is in Banff National Park here in Alberta. I'm going back to Calgary. And absolutely amazing here. Really pretty. Not too terribly cold, just slightly under freezing temperature. And for Alberta in the middle of winter, it could be a whole lot worse. So, yeah, absolutely amazing. I got a really nice hotel. I didn't pay anything for it just because of traveling so much. You build up points at hotels that give us points. So, you know, not complaining there. So we started flying to Calgary again, and our layovers in Calgary are multi-day layovers. They're really long. So beginning of December, I went to Calgary, and it was amazing. And the hotel's in the middle of nowhere. It's right by the airport, so there's really nothing around it. It was a 38-hour layover, so I had the whole day to just kind of do whatever. And I had a 54-hour layover the next week. And between those two, they shut the country down, or at least the province. So I was stuck in a hotel room for a week, and it was horrible. They wouldn't take us anywhere. I had to order delivery. I had to order food for like every meal. There was no food around the hotel. I gotta find coffee. That's the first thing I gotta do. So this is the line to Tim Hortons, because if you're not familiar with Canada, Tim Hortons is like, there's one on every block. It's just a mediocre fast food place that has coffee, but it's like the thing here. Thank you.
as my time in Canada comes to a close. I'll miss the sunsets behind the snow-covered mountains. Until next time, Canada.
Oh, why is there not a sleeve? Fuck. I can't hold that. It's too hot. Why did they not give me a sleeve? To save the earth? One sleeve is worth me burning my hand. Oh shit. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Moose. Deer, reindeer, not moose. Just want to carry a camera right there. It's like having your gun and being an American. Boom, right there.